నమస్కారం. మేల్కోండి మేల్కోండి
హిందువులారా మేల్కోండి.
మేల్కోండి మేల్కోండి.
హిందువులారా మేల్కోండి.
నమస్కారం.
నమస్కారం.
This movie Wakalat, my blessings and shubhecha for this great movie which has touched a very important point. We Hindus especially should focus on various different Indian laws. Today there is a great need for reformation of these various acts. These different civil procedure acts or criminal procedure acts and various different many acts are made by Britishers. The intention of these Britishers, these invaders and looters and plunderers of Bharat Mata, their only intention was to make Hindus, Indians, British servants or slaves. They wanted babus. So these laws were made according to the British. So Britishers can get great best slaves from India. Now, my question to all my Sanatani Vedic Hindus from all over the world and even to this movie watchers or the subscribers of this movie is, should we follow or should we really adhere to the British laws? We all should, Hindus should with folded hands request the government, central as well as states, to reform these laws according to the Hindus, according to the culture, according to the religion, according to the spiritual and moral upbringing of the Hindus. We Hindus on this Sanatani Bharata Punya Bhumi, we had been staying here since many lakhs of years. We Hindus are naturally inclined towards the worship of nature, towards the worship of trees, animals, and every Sukshma sentient being. Everything is divine, everything is Brahma Swarupa to us. We Hindus are naturally disciplined towards the ethics. We Hindus are naturally ethics follower. We need not be taught about capitalism. The Sanatan Bhumi, the Sanatan Dharma Shastras are always based on Karuna, are always based on Kshama, are always based on Paschatap. Means they are based on Daya, compassion, Karuna. They are based on forgiveness, Kshama. And we believe in transformation, we believe in reformation. Our acts must be more about reformation, about changing a man morally from inside. So every Hindu must rethink. The great scholars of law, the great scholars of constitution, the great scholars of different codes of conduct or different codes of civil and criminal should rethink on taking the Hindi value system, the Sanatani Vedic value system into the legals, they should follow or they should take the Dharma Shastra into the modern laws. These current laws are outdated and still are into the British hangover. These laws needs to be changed according to the Hindu living, according to the Hindus' way of living of in the cultural, religious, moral, spiritual, and ethical. So a Hindu person's way of life is a holistic way of living, a yogic way of living. In every act we do, in every method we live, every mannerism we live in day-to-day life, there is Shuddha Sattvikta, there is purity in what we do. So these purity needs to be brought in laws. I will give a very simple example of our Yoga Sutra about the Niyama. There are 5 Niyamas and there are 5 Yamas. So I will come to Pancha Yama. Ahimsa, Satya, Asteya, Aparigraha and Brahmacharya. Even if every single person follows even 5 Yama, the crime will immediately come to an end. Now let me explain what are these 5 Niyamas. Ahimsa is non-violence. Now what is non-violence? Means having no crime, having no violence physically, killing no one physically. But our Shastras also say Ahimsa from Kayika, Manasika and Vachika. Means do not harm anybody physically, do not harm anyone mentally, and do not harm anyone verbally. Now coming back to Satya. Satya is truthfulness, not just speaking truth, but also having truth in our actions in whatever we do. also having truth in whatever we think. Our great sannyasi Shri Ramakrishna Paramhamsa used to say, be truthful in speech and mind. Means whatever you speak should match to our mind. मन में कुछ और जबान पे कुछ और नहीं होना चाहिए. Whatever we speak should be truth in our actions, in mental and in the speech. Coming to asteya, do not take anything which is not given to you. आपको कुछ भी नहीं लेना है जब तक आपके हाथ में दिया नहीं जाता है. Means this will end stealing in the society. Aparigraha, do not over accumulate, do not collect too much. If you collect too many things, that increases greed in the person, and the greed becomes the need, and there the crime starts. And the last is brahmacharya, means practicing the celibacy physically, mentally and verbally. Now coming to this 5 pancha yama, just let us see today. Ahimsa, the crime rates are increasing. If everybody practices ahimsa, there will be no crime rate. Today, we see many business people, politicians, leaders, even many big people speaking lies. Marketing and advertisement is full of lies and falsity. If everybody speaks truth, so the society will go on the dharma marga, on the satya marga. So truth is very, very important. So deceiving and deceit and frauds will end. Asteya, stealing, robbery. Even if I'm standing in front of a shop, if I like an item, I keep seeing it. Means I'm stealing it through my mind. So stealing not only physically but mentally stealing and verbally stealing should also stop. These stealings have led to huge big corruptions in Bharat. If asteya is practiced by all Indians, the corruption will immediately end. Aparigraha, only take that much which is needful in our life. Do not over accumulate. कोई भी चीज ज़्यादा कलेक्ट नहीं करना है. And brahmacharya, the rapes are increasing in our Bharat. It's very unfortunate that my sisters are not safe. Every Hindu brother must take the responsibility of safeguarding my sister, my daughter, my mother. It is every Hindu's birthright to save. This is only this Bharat, only the Sanatanis have protected our sisters. Why our sisters have gone sati? Many people say that sati came from Bharat. It's such a rudimentary method. But when Muslims attacked India, our great Rajputani, our great queens, and every Hindu woman would immolate herself in the fire, because these adharmis, these vidharmi Muslim people will come and rape women. But they will also come and rape the dead bodies of the women. So our Sati Mata, our Mata and our sisters used to burn their bodies, because those bodies should not be touched by any Akaranta, by any invaders, by Muslims or Christians. So such is our great dharma. We see every woman as our Mata, as Bhavani Mata, as Shakti. So I urge once again Indians that practice brahmacharya. By brahmacharya we will end rapes and the evil things how some men are seeing women. Every man must see woman as his mata, as his mother or sister. So I urge all the Sanatani Vedic Hindus that we should have a Hindu constitution based on Sanatan Dharma, based on Dharma Shastra, based on Vedas. So my Abhinandan and Shubhecha to the movie makers of Vakalat, and may this movie be seen by all Indians, and may they get inspired, and may they become law-abiding and law-following Shuddha Sattvic Hindus. Har Har Mahadev.
Har Har Mahadev.
Jai Bhavani.
जय बाबा
Jai Shri Ram. Jai Shri
जय
Ram.
श्री राम.